Let's talk about the altitudes of a triangle. Altitude is another name for height. An altitude is a segment that connects from vertex to the opposite side of the triangle, forming a right angle. So we can apply this concept to a triangle. We can draw an altitude from each vertex of the triangle. So let's do that now. Here's a vertex, and we're going to drop a line straight down to the opposite side of the triangle, forming a nice right angle. And remember that we can mark these right angles with this little box in the corner. Alright, so that's one altitude. Let's draw another. Let's go from this vertex, and if we come across, we're not really forming a right angle, so if we come this direction, it's getting even less of a right angle. So that means we need to head more to the top. So that looks pretty good. Now let's mark our picture so we know that this is where the right angle is located. And finally, let's draw our third altitude. Going from the third vertex, I'm going to go across to the other side, forming a nice right angle. All of these points are intersecting at all of these lines are intersecting at one point, which we call the orthocenter. This is the point of concurrency. So this point of concurrency, we'll go ahead and put in as the orthocenter. And remember that the altitude is another name for height, and it goes from vertex to the opposite side of the triangle, and it will always form a right angle.